In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of two majestic animals, the moose and the North American elk. But before we begin, it's crucial to clarify a common linguistic misunderstanding. In American English, the term moose refers to Alces alces, the same animal known as elk in British English. However, what Americans call elk is a different species entirely, scientifically named Cervus canadensis. This video aims to explore and compare these two distinct species, highlighting their unique characteristics, habitats, behaviors, and the role they play in our ecosystems. Physical appearance. When it comes to physical appearance, the differences between the moose and the North American elk are quite pronounced. The moose is renowned for its impressive size, making it the largest member of the deer family. A mature bull moose can weigh between 850 to 1,580 pounds, with cows, females, slightly smaller. They are characterized by their long legs, massive bodies, and distinctive broad and flat antlers, which can span across 6 feet. Their heads feature a long, overhanging snout and a bell or dewlap under the throat. The coat color ranges from dark brown to almost black. The North American elk, while still large, are generally smaller than moose, with males, bulls, weighing around 700 pounds and females, cows, around 500 pounds. Their most distinguishing features are their slender, more elegant physique and pointed antlers, which are more spindly and less palmate than those of the moose. Elk coats are typically lighter, with a color palette ranging from brown to golden. They also have a notable white rump patch and a shorter snout compared to the moose. Understanding these physical differences is crucial, not just for wildlife enthusiasts, but also for conservation efforts. Recognizing each species' distinct characteristics helps in studying their behaviors, habitats, and the specific challenges they face in the wild. Habitat and distribution. The habitats and distribution of moose and North American elk are as varied as their physical appearances. Moose are adapted to colder climates and are commonly found in the forested wetlands of the northern hemisphere. They prefer environments where there is an abundance of aquatic vegetation, which is a significant seasonal supplement to their diet during the warmer months, due to the sodium content of such vegetation. The largest moose populations are in Canada, extending into the northern United States, including regions like Alaska, Maine, and Washington state. Their preferred habitats include temperate forests, taiga, and tundra, especially areas with disturbances that increase the availability of their preferred food sources. Moose are well adapted to snowy environments, with their long legs giving them an advantage in deep snow. Elk, on the other hand, are more adaptable to different types of habitats. They are predominantly found in open woods, meadows, and parklands in North America. While they were once widespread across the continent, their range is now primarily in the western United States and parts of Canada, with the largest populations in regions like British Columbia. Elk are migratory animals, often moving to higher elevations in the summer and returning to lower elevations in the winter. Behavior and lifestyle. The behavior and lifestyle of these two species highlight their ecological roles and adaptations. Moose are known for their solitary nature, except during mating season or when a cow is raising her young. While moose do not form herds, it is common for a mother moose to be accompanied by her calf and occasionally twins. Moose are also notable for their relative indifference to human presence, sometimes leading to dangerous encounters if they feel threatened, especially during the rutting season. They are strong swimmers, often seen wading into lakes and rivers to feed, cool down, or escape predators. In contrast, elk are highly social animals and are often found in herds, which can consist of hundreds of individuals. These herds are generally segregated by sex outside of the mating season, with bulls forming bachelor groups and cows gathering with their offspring. Elk are more skittish around humans and tend to flee at the sign of danger. Their social structure plays a crucial role in their survival, providing protection against predators and facilitating breeding. These differences in behavior and social structure between moose and elk are reflective of their adaptations and ecological niches. While moose are known for their solitary lifestyle, they are adaptable to a variety of environments, including dense forests and wetlands, but not exclusively aquatic environments. They're often found near water bodies due to their preference for aquatic vegetation, especially during warmer months. Elk, in contrast, are more social animals and thrive in open landscapes, like meadows and grasslands where they form herds. Diet and foraging habits. The dietary preferences of moose and North American elk reflect their respective habitats and physical adaptations. Moose are primarily browsers rather than grazers. Their diet predominantly consists of forbs, weeds, fresh tree shoots, and aquatic plants. They are particularly adapted to feeding on aquatic vegetation, often seen submerging their heads underwater to forage on plants at the bottom of lakes and rivers. This unique feeding habit sets them apart from most other deer species. The diversity in their diet changes with the seasons, encompassing a wide range of plant-based foods that extend beyond wetland areas to include terrestrial vegetation, like leaves, twigs, and bark of forest trees and shrubs. North American elk, conversely, are primarily grazers. Their diet mainly consists of grasses, forbs, and bark. They are known to travel over large areas to graze, and their feeding habits contribute to shaping the ecosystems in which they live. Elk herds can significantly influence the vegetation structure of their habitats through their foraging activities. In winter, when grass is less available, they may also feed on shrubs and tree bark. Conservation status and challenges. Both species face various conservation challenges, although their statuses differ. While not currently listed as endangered, moose populations have been declining in some areas. This decline is attributed to factors like habitat loss, climate change, increased predation, and diseases like the winter tick infestation, which can severely affect their health. Elk populations are generally stable, but they are also affected by habitat fragmentation and loss. Conservation efforts for elk focus on habitat management and ensuring sustainable populations, especially in areas where they coexist with humans and agriculture. In conclusion, moose and North American elk, though often confused due to linguistic differences, are distinctly different in their physical characteristics, habitats, behaviors, and diets. Understanding these differences is crucial for their conservation and management. As we continue to share our environment with these magnificent creatures, it's essential to acknowledge their unique roles in the ecosystem and the challenges they face. By doing so, we can better appreciate their presence and ensure their survival for future generations. In this exploration of moose and elk, we've unraveled the mysteries behind these two species, highlighting the importance of accurate knowledge in wildlife conservation. Remember, the more we know about our natural world, the better we can protect it. Thank you for watching. Remember to share, like, and subscribe.